Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the Picots and Halos Edging stitch pattern. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a single crochet and a double crochet. Also, this is great for projects with multiples of 8 plus 5. If you need help with anything mentioned in this video, just check down in the description below for my stitches and techniques. So to get started, I've just created a little swatch to represent either a blanket edge or a scarf edge or whatever you're trying to add edging to. So for row 1, you are going to start off by joining your yarn at the beginning of your work. Then you will chain 3 and you will double crochet in the first chain from the hook, and then you will double crochet in every single stitch until the very end of the row, and then you will turn your work. So here we are, just finishing off row 1. I'm also using variegated yarn, so my color is going to change just ever so slightly. Row 2, you're going to start off by chaining 1 and single crocheting into the first stitch. Then you will start your repeat, which is going to be chaining 4, skipping 3, and single crocheting in the following stitch. You'll repeat this all the way until the end of the row, and then you will turn your work. So again, the repeat is going to be chaining 4, skipping 3, single crocheting in the following stitch. Now finishing off row 2, you can kind of see how the work's coming along. For row 3, we're going to start off by chaining 3, and then we are going to work 7 double crochets into the chain 4 space from the previous row. Now you will be working in the chain 4 space for this whole entire row, so just kind of keep that in mind as you work. Once you have your 7 double crochets, we're going to start into the repeat. So the repeat is going to be single crocheting into the next chain 4 space, followed by working 7 double crochets into the following chain 4 space. You'll repeat this all the way until the end of the row, and then in the very last stitch you will finish off with just doing a single crochet in the last stitch of the row, and that's just to give it a nice edge. So here we are, just finishing off. I'm going to do that little single crochet or double crochet, my apologies, it helps if I say it right. So now we're going to turn our work and we are going to chain 4. Then we are going to skip 4 stitches, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are going to single crochet in the following stitch. Then you will chain 3 and you're going to single crochet into that same space, followed by chaining 3, and then you're going to skip 3. Then we are going to go straight into the repeat. So after you have skipped that 3, the repeat is going to be single crocheting into the following stitch, chaining 3, single crocheting into the same space, and then chaining 3 and skipping 3. You'll repeat this all the way until the last stitch of the row, and once you get to the last stitch, we are going to work a single crochet in the very last stitch, and it's just to make sure that we have this very nice edging on our project. So here we are, just finishing off row 4 with our last little single crochet. It's looking pretty good, so let's finish it off. Row 5, you're going to start off by slip stitching into the first chain of the chain 3 from the previous row. So just slip stitch into that. Then you are going to single crochet into the following chain of the chain 3. And then we're going to go straight into our repeat, which is going to be chaining 5 and then single crocheting into chain 3 space. The next chain 3 space, my apologies, and you will repeat this all the way until the end of the row. So again, the repeat is going to be chaining 5 and single crocheting in the next chain 3 space. And here we are, just finishing off our last single crochet into that chain 3 space. And there you have it. That is how you do the Picots and Halos crochet stitch border. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next crochet video. Have a happy crochet day!